Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Avalanche. On a daily time frame chart, recently Avalanche has broken out this down channel. After that, we had a nice rally, but the price is rejected by this resistance of $55. You can see that for a few days it has been struggling to break it out, but could not break it out. If we take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that this $55 this resistance has been previously breaking as a very strong support here, and resistance here. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a very, very strong resistance. And now the price is moving towards the next long-term support here at $31. That has been previously breaking as a resistance here, support here, and resistance here. And this time, again, it can break as a strong support for the price. And at the same time, we're also having a very, very nice uptrend line support. For example, the price breaks down this support of $31, then it can test this uptrend line support here, approximately at $28. By the way, this uptrend line support was previously breaking as support here in the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce. And if this time the price and again reaches here, then again it can work as a very, very nice support, and we can expect another bounce from the support. So far, so good. The price and did not break down this support, and now we are still moving above this support of $31. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you this quite long-term trade signal that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And that was a very big and huge harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that Avalanche formed on a monthly time frame chart. And this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Hive, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal, I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the long-term trade signal for Avalanche that I shared with my members almost 2 years ago on 1st of June 2022. And this is a very, very huge harmonic bullish reverse garlic pattern that Avalanche has formed on a monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal and still in play. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the pricing is geared up from this buying zone. And the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this huge garlic move start from $80.13 and goes to $123.84. Now, let's move to the live chart. And this is the recent down channel that we have broken out on the daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past several weeks a month, it has been moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, and at the bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and finally we broke out. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel that I've been telling you in my previous videos was here at the top of the channel at $64. And you can see that so far the price has rallied up to this resistance of $55. We were very close to hit that target, but could not break out this resistance. Therefore, as soon as the price breaks out this resistance, the price can hit this target of $64. Right now, we are moving between these two major support and resistance levels. The support is here at $31. That was recently breaking as a resistance here and support here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $31, this support, has been previously breaking as support here and here back in the month of August 2022. It was also breaking as a very nice support. By the way, if the price breaks out this resistance of $55, then I'm also expecting an imminent move to the next very long-term resistance of $100. By the way, this $100 has been previously breaking as a very, very strong resistance here for several weeks a month. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this very, very huge falling wedge pattern, you can see that on the 7 day time frame chart, we have already broken out this wedge in the month of October 2023. That target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.